Hello. How's everybody doing today? Today in the news, it's October 4th. It's Monday, 2021. And this is my very first in the news broadcast. So I am actually introducing what I am going to be doing for the future. So, in the news, the new broadcast from Drone Education Services. I plan on doing a daily topic on just general news, whether it's commercial, recreational, if it's in space, on land, water. It just doesn't matter where it is. I'm going to try to cover one news report a day for 2 minutes. And during that 2 minute time slot, I'm trying to figure out how to make it interesting for you, the viewer, to look at me. And I'm not really quite sure what format is going to be the best format and whether or not I can digitally do the volume and everything else. So you got to bear with me. This is a learning curve. This was my today in the news slide. And so what I'm going to plan on doing is where the drone is stuck in the tree, that's going to be the headlines for the next report that's coming up, so that on a daily basis, this will be the slide, and then I'll do a news report up there. So I hope this format works for you. Welcome to Drone Education Services' very first broadcast of 500 flights in counting. Working really hard to get this thing put together so that it's interesting and that you find it kind of compelling. So, welcome to episode one. Episode one was filmed on March 7th of 2019. And this is a really exciting thing for me. So let's get this thing started. This is the original home. This is my next door neighbor. He lives next door across the street from me. And I got to see this house get torn down and then rebuilt into this magnificent structure. And before that I actually got started, I had been talking to him because I wanted to film the teardown. And really, that's what it all boiled down to. I wanted to do a teardown of this property and just go, okay, wow, I've got a time lapse teardown that'll look so cool in my portfolio. But as it was getting closer and closer to the time, I kept asking him if I could do a little bit more. I asked him if I could do an interior inspection of the property, and I filmed myself doing the interior inspection. I didn't even asked if I could, you know, start filming from the air, some of the things that were going on. And he said, sure. And so the project started off with me getting started on learning how to actually inspect the home. And what you're going to see is how all that came together. It's about, oh my gosh, over 200 episodes. We're just get this thing started.